are you looking for a way to strengthen your knee so you can have more knee mobility? I got two tools that's gonna help you do that. It's gonna make a bigger difference in you walking better, feeling better, being more mobile. So this is a massage, a trigger point roller. You can get this by clicking the link in the description. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Target. You get it from Amazon. So yeah, so you can also use it to go and pretty much massage yourself by going back and forth on it like this. This feels pretty good. Yeah, so you can use it like that, but that's not what we're doing for this video. So for this video, we're gonna strengthen the quad and also the knee. So you're gonna pretty much put it right under your hamstring. You're gonna do a leg extension like that. So this is the basic way you can do it. So if you don't have this, you can use a book or you can use something to elevate your leg, but I suggest you have something like this because it's higher and it feels more comfortable. But you know, just use whatever you have. So what you do is you sit back and you're gonna extend your leg up and come down. So I suggest doing reps of 12 reps, 3 sets. So whatever you do on one side, you're gonna do on the other side. You're gonna do like that on the other side. And to take it to the next level, which I noticed the difference when I was training my mom, is by putting on the ankle weight with it. So I had her, so this is 10 pounds. And I actually prefer these better. This is the kind that has the steel in it. I used to buy the ones that has the stand, and I don't like those. Those always wind up breaking and opening, so it's best to pay a little bit more for the one that has the actual steel in it. So I was doing myself earlier, so I suggest you starting off with just only a few pounds, so you can like pretty much just only have 2 on each side and 2 here, 2 there. But since you know I'm stronger, so I like to use mine with the whole ankle weight. So you strap on the ankle weight that you get. Solid Fitness World app isn't like any other app that you used before today. It's a unique mix of coaching, training, and education optimized to deliver you results. The highest return you can get in life comes from the things you understand. The more you understand yourself and the world you live in, the more you can be an effective player to be who you want to be. At the top of the pyramid of skills, you'll find the ability to learn and adapt to behavior. This is the main reason why humans were able to prosper and the cornerstone of our society and how it's been structured. Those who are able to learn and adapt their behavior based off what they learn prosper in life long term. So if that is the most important key to winning, you need to stay focused on being a continuous learner, and that is the shortest path toward you getting the results and the victory that you want. In life, being a continuous learner, you can draw value to everything that happened to you because you are learning and adapting. So by doing this, I noticed a little spring in my step after I went and did it. So definitely want to work on getting that knee stronger, getting that quad, those hip flexors, getting those muscles stronger. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I have any other future videos. Ladies, are you summer bikini ready? If not, fill out my personal training application below and let's see if this is a good fit to train with me on my fitness app. Everything is tailored for you based off of your body type, your goals, and your lifestyle. You are so worth it. Okay. And also, I tell people that ankle weights are also not good to walk around with. So there's too much pressure on your ankle. So you don't do that. So first, I'm doing the left side like this. You gotta just do sets of 10 like this. Like this. Straight up, bam. And then I say too is if about right here is good, right under that hamstring, so you have enough room that you can do a leg extension like that. Breathe out. 6, good. Yeah, so I definitely do like the way that it feels by challenging the quad and the knee. There's a good feeling of being challenged. Okay, so that's one set, so you can take a little break. But yeah, so these I only got these ankle weights. I think I got them from Walmart, so you can find them from any place. You order online, get you some ankle weights. Yeah, so you can start off with the 5-pound ankle weights. You can go with the 10-pound ones, and you just build yourself up with it. Let's go again into the second set. 7, good. 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15. Right, okay, yep. Take a little break real quick. So yeah, so I definitely like how it feels by challenging my leg with the ankle weights on. So it's definitely a good feeling being challenged. So I definitely like that. So yeah, so you can just start off with just only having your leg elevated. So this is called the quad arc, and this is what it is. So I'm doing one more set of 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yeah, so also too, if what will help to have your knee to get stronger is you also want to be at a healthy weight. So if you're a woman and you're 200 pounds and you're 5'4", you need to be around 125 pounds, 130. So that's too much weight. So when you got all that extra weight, that's putting too much pressure on your knees. So you definitely need to get your weight in order. And you can fill out my personal training application below, and we can see that this is a good fit for you. Good, 15. Okay, that's really good. Perfect, y'all. So yeah, so just doing 3 sets is also good. So that's pretty much great. Another thing I'm gonna do too is if I'm gonna use this massager. I like how it has this built into it that you can massage your hamstrings, different parts of your body. So I ain't got it for now. I'll follow using it, but so now I'm gonna massage. This is a good thing I like to do. You can just massage your hamstrings. This feels really good. So this feels almost like having somebody to give you a massage. You just move your body like this. It gets all really deep in the tissue. So that feels good. You can also massage your back, your side. So, right, I'm only doing just the back of the leg. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely glad that I went and got it. a try. So yes, I'm accepting one-on-one and online clients. You can fill out my personal training application below. Make sure that this is a good fit for you. And remember, God wants you healthy and fit. Devil wants you to procrastinate and do nothing and put it off and tell yourself that you're busy. So you are so worth it. Fill out my personal training application below. Like, share, and subscribe to my video. Tap the notification button so you can be informed when I have new videos. I love you, and I'll see you all next time.